Hello, class. Today we're going to learn how to round up and round down different kinds of numbers. So first, when you round up, you start with the place value. If the number to the right of that place value is greater than 5, meaning if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the place value goes up 1 digit. The rest of the numbers become zeros. So looking at our first example, it asks us to round 456 to the nearest tens. So because it says round to the nearest tens, we're going to start at the place value tens. Our digit in the place values is 5. So we're going to look to the right of the place value at the 1 spot. Now, if I look at the 1 spot, 6 is greater than 5. So that means my 10 spot needs to go up 1 digit. Then the rest of the numbers become 0. So if we're rounding 456 to the nearest tens, the answer is 460. To round down, again, first you start with the place value. If the number to the right of the place value is less than 5, meaning if it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then the place value stays the same. Then the rest of the numbers to the right become zeros. So looking at our example, round 673 to the nearest tens. Our place value says tens, so we start in the tens spot. The number in our tens spot is the digit 7. So we look to the right of the place value at the ones. The digit in the 1 spot is a 3. 3 is less than 5. So our place value stays the same. We don't change the 7, but still the rest of the numbers to the right become zeros. So 673 rounded to the nearest tens is 670. Now we're going to try rounding to the nearest hundreds. Again, the rules for rounding up and down do not change. So to round to the nearest hundreds, we first start at the 100 spot. The digit in the 100 spot is the 5. So again, we're just going to look to the right of the place value spot. So this time we're going to look at the 10 spot. Now the number in the 10 spot is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we need the place value to go up 1 number. So 5 becomes 6. Same rules. After you round 5 to 6, all the numbers to the right become 0. So 573 rounded to the nearest hundreds is 600. Let's look at another example. Our example says round 329 to the nearest hundreds. Again, we start at the place value that we're rounding to. So if we look at the 100 spot, we're going to start with 3. Now, we just need to look to the right in the 10 spot. So here we're looking at 2. Now 2 is less than 5. So all you do is your place value, your 3 stays the same. And again, all the numbers to the right become 0.